7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Good afternoon, South Florida. Well, after seeing a wonderful week of weather, we are going to start with our rain this afternoon, and it will stick around as we go into the weekend. I know a lot of you have a long weekend for the holiday, but unfortunately, we are expecting to see the showers and thunderstorms moving in. Currently, we have some low-level winds and some upper-level winds bringing us plenty of cloud cover this afternoon. You can see mostly cloudy skies out there. From time to time, we will see some peaks of sunshine, but we are expecting to stay mostly cloudy with that chance of showers and thunderstorms. Earlier this morning, we saw a lot of rain over portions of Miami, North Miami, Miami Beach, even portions of Broward. Good news is all of that is starting to dissipate. We do have just some isolated showers, some pockets of rain right over Palmetto Bay, Cutler Bay, and Naranja. The wind flow is moving in from the east-northeast to the southwest. So you can see down by the Keys, the showers that have developed push offshore already by Marathon, and the lower Keys are seeing mostly dry conditions. Let's talk about our temperatures. We've got so much cloud cover in place. It's been really hard for us to really warm up. 82 degrees in Pembroke Pines, 85 in Pompano Beach and Fort Lauderdale. But what I want you to see is look at the wind speeds. Wind speeds this afternoon moving in anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts even stronger. And that's going to be a big headline for this weekend because I know a lot of you plan on enjoying the event for the regatta, and unfortunately with the rough seas in place, it's going to be very dangerous. We've got wind speeds anywhere between 12 to 18 miles per hour in Miami, a temperature of 82 degrees, 87 in Miccosukee, 84 in Homestead. Down by the Keys, a temperature of 79 where we saw some of that rain, 83 in Key West. So with high pressure in place to the north, that stalled out frontal boundary to the south starting to lift to the north, we've got plenty of available moisture moving onshore throughout portions of the state. We've got a lot of moisture just to the south that's going to continue to push north. And we have a couple of scenarios that we have in mind for the weekend. The reason being, models are not in agreement of what's going to occur this weekend. One model has an area of low pressure developing over the western Caribbean, stretching in towards the Gulf of Mexico, and that will keep us under a very soggy setup with windy conditions, heavy rain, and mostly cloudy skies. The other model that we're looking at actually has the area of low pressure developing over the Bahamas and pushing towards the north. Regardless, we are going to have a very wet weekend. We will see very windy conditions, wind speeds anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour with wind gusts higher, and we could see rain totals anywhere between 2 to 4 inches, so be prepared. Hurricane Felipe, wind sustained at 85 miles per hour. The system is beginning to weaken as it moves in towards the central portions of the Atlantic. It's about 575 miles east-southeast of Bermuda. We should be able to say goodbye to it as we go into the weekend and early next week, as it will become an extratropical cyclone. Threat of rip currents, high risk of rip currents, that is, at the beaches because of how windy it's going to be. Small craft advisory, if you're doing any boating, seas 5 to 7 feet. The bay will be choppy in Miami-Dade and Broward. An advisory for you as well because of the winds and seas in the Keys and nearshore waters will be rough. Highs today will struggle to reach the mid to upper 80s. With the rain returning this afternoon, those in the mid to upper 70s will keep that chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast until early next week. Have a great weekend.